Welcome back and happy Friday. We're going to take you out to the coast right now in Pismo Beach. You can see it's a beautiful morning out there, pretty much clear at this hour as well. But it is a little chilly out there along our coastline, our coastal valleys, inland valleys as well. Some areas along the coast will only stay close to those low 60s for that peak daytime high. A little bit of a different story though as we head into your weekend. So let's take a look at some of these forecast details for you. This weekend we actually have slightly warmer temperatures back. The clear skies will also continue. Offshore flow redeveloping over your weekend, bringing some breezy conditions. Next week, the potential for some rain. That could be as early as Tuesday, but most of it could be Wednesday through Friday. So we'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a moment. But first, a look at your microclimate model showing that we could have some mid to high level cloud cover, mostly off the coastline here as we head into the rest of your morning. Otherwise, we're looking at those clear skies for your Friday. Plenty of sunshine, but like I said, we just have cooler temperatures. Later tonight, increasing cloud cover over the South Coast region. A lot of that is going to be high level, and then early tomorrow morning it will clear up. We're going to see plenty of sunshine peek through here, and that will be the case as we head into Sunday as well. I mentioned the offshore flow redeveloping, bringing us some warmer temperatures for your weekend ahead, but it's also going to create a steady breeze, and some areas could be a little bit gusty heading into your weekend. For today, as we go into about the late evening hours and going into the early morning hours, you can see right around 20-mile-per-hour winds on Saturday for areas like Solvang, Lompoc, even along our South Coast region in Santa Barbara. Some gusty conditions will also continue along the North Coast as we go into the 5 o'clock hour Saturday evening. Otherwise, we're going to taper off a little bit more just before Sunday morning. For next week, talking about these details here, you can see this low pressure on Wednesday making its way over California. A cold air mass is also going to move through the region, and that's going to mean that our peak daytime highs could range anywhere from about the mid 50s to the low 60s. So really much on the cooler side here for our Thanksgiving holiday. And then by Thanksgiving, possibility of low elevation snow. Rain also a possibility too. This is something we're going to continue to monitor as we get closer to the event. So by the start of the next week, we'll have more information on the timing of the storm and how much rain it could actually produce. But for today, temperatures around those mid 60s for Paso, San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, as well as Lompoc, right around the upper 60s for Santa Ynez Valley. 5 cities region ranging from the low to mid 60s, upper 50s in California Valley, and back towards our north coast here, we're ranging from the upper 50s to about the low 60s. Back to you.
All right. Thank you.